I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get lovely 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.